Now to your forecasts. We have some changes to tell you about, and those changes involve humidity, possibly rain, storms.
Severe weather?
It's spring.
Yeah, you know, it's spring. This is like a prime time severe weather season when you're getting into the middle of May. So really no surprise that we're getting back into that active pattern. Now, as far as tomorrow goes, the first thing you'll notice is that we're going to have more clouds that'll start rolling in pretty quickly in the morning. And there might just be a few sprinkles to start the day, but our air is still pretty dry. So that's why I'm thinking if we see any rain, even though if you check our KMBC 9 News app radar, it's going to see that rain up there, a little line of showers, but not all of that will make it down to the ground because our air is just so dry. Later on in the evening, we might pick up on a few thunderstorms for our Thursday evening and night. And then on Friday, that's an alert day because there is that risk of severe weather. So something to keep in mind as we go through your Friday evening hours. Some of those storms could be on the stronger side. As far as what tomorrow looks like, I mentioned a little strip of rain could move in. That's a look around sunrise tomorrow. And as we head through the morning, this little batch of some light showers will move through. I still think most areas stay dry, but don't be surprised to see a few sprinkles for the first half of the day. Otherwise, more clouds and sun tomorrow. And then as we head into our late evening, we'll get some weakening thunderstorms that move out of central Kansas into the area. These likely would not be severe. That being said, I think the area that we'll just have to keep an eye on for maybe a strong thunderstorm or two would be in our western communities out towards Lawrence and Ottawa and Garnett. And then those thunderstorms will fizzle out as they move towards the east. Now on Friday, notice the bulk of the area. We have that possibility of severe thunderstorms Friday evening. Damaging wind, large hail, those will be the main threats. So Friday morning, we'll start things out relatively quiet. But then as we head into the evening, there you go. There are the thunderstorms that could produce wind and hail. That's 6 p.m. on Friday. That lingers till about 10 or 11. And then we'll see that severe weather threat go away. But some leftover rain could last into early on our Saturday morning. So on the 9-day forecast, there's a lot going on. We're also going to get hotter and more humid. Tomorrow, 80 degrees for a high, sprinkles possible in the morning, a few thunderstorms late in the day, mid-70s in the afternoon. Early there, we'll get back to about 80 degrees. Then on Friday, look how hot it gets, 91. So it's going to be a hot day. The alert there for that severe weather risk. Our temperatures could actually tie a record high if we hit 91. Upper 80s for Saturday and Sunday, more storm chances. Storm chances actually increase on Monday there, so that could be another alert day. We'll keep an eye on that for you. Some leftover showers Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, we are looking drier, still warm with highs in the low 80s and lows near 60 degrees. So active weather here the next several days, and going through the weekend, we'll see a warm front lifting through the region, and then heading into Sunday, that severe weather threat lifts up to the north. Now, still could be a few storms around, and then Monday, a cold front moves in, and that could bring us another decent chance for widespread storms.